Okay.
Don't.
Alright, what do we have here?
Okay,
What are we doing here?
got this. Yeah, we got
Wow, so many
it.
toys. Yeah,
We got this.
we got this. Wow, I like it.
This what the heck? This door I can open.
Whoa,
Yeah.
that's cool.
And this one too looks like a race car. And
Wow.
this looks so cute.
Whoa, that's what is that? What kind of animal? It's a mouse or something.
No, it's a cheetah.
Oh, it's a cheetah.
Yeah, it is. This is a cute bear.
Yeah.
Ooh. Pikachu. Pikachu. Now. And we, okay, Daddy.
Mhm.
Okay, Daddy. And he has some Legos in there.
Wow.
We can make something in here.
What are we making?
And we have a cool car.
Wow, I like the car. It's nice.
And this makes noise.
Whoa, that's cool.
Cool. And we have like this claw made of, I don't know what it's made of.
What is that? Oh, that's a transformer, I think.
Look it!
Wow, I like it.
He made like a person or something. Yeah, I made a person, a funny person. A trash person. Right, okay, and we got a lot of cars. Mini cars. There are like, these are different.
Wow, those are
Look, we got a
bulldozer,
car.
excavator. Oh wow.
And there's one more car left.
Hmm. Oh yeah. What is that? That's a loader. Is it like a backhoe?
No, that's a backhoe.
That's a backhoe. What are
And
the
a
other
skid
ones?
steer. And a bulldozer.
Wow.
And that's a foot motor.
It's a whole team. I like
Yeah.
it.
And then oh, what the heck is this?
What is the dino?
Yeah, here.
Hey.
Hey! Hey! We got a crabby.
Wow.
Hey!
No.
You'll eat a monster truck.
Oh no, he's eating. And the
Get
crab.
away! Get away! You beanie boy. And we got a puzzle. It's a cute. This looks cool. Puzzle time. And open the door like this. Puzzle time. Puzzle time. Time for puzzle.
I like it. We
Puzzle
got puzzles
time.
and boxes.
And we have like Play-Doh.
Wow, I like the Play-Doh. That's nice.
And this one is glittery.
Mmm.
It's golden. And we have
That's
one
cool.
crayon. One crayon. What? Why is a crayon there? And a cute little mousey.
Aww.
But hey, cute. Why you don't want to like it? And we have this cool car. And we have an emerald.
Wow, that's cool.
And we got this. And we got Puppet. A light.
Mm-hmm.
See, it makes noise.
Wow, I
Watch
like it.
this. This button. It has a button. Whoa!
Whoa, that's a tractor.
Yeah. Look, what the heck is this? What I got? What the heck?
Hmm?
This is a big monster truck.
It's a monster truck.
Yeah. Upside down. Upside down? What the hell? What the hell? Watch this, Tommy. What? Okay, watch this. This is a huge one. That's a huge thing. And look at this. Oh!
That's a big one.
And look, it has food. It's rotten. You can eat it. It's rotten. You can eat it. No, it's rotten. No.
Wow.
Hey, you're done. Pikachu.
And the Pikachu. That's cool. Hey, you farted.
A star. We have some Legos. Yeah, we have a big knock.
A big knock.
You have to. A big knock. I'm gonna knock your head. A ball, like in a what? Hey. And we got a monkey with a pirate monkey. Bam.
Whoa.
And we have two. One ball.
Yeah.
And a oh, we have this. We have this.
What is that? That's a shark?
Yeah. No, look in the. I don't know what is this.
I think that's you building like it's a T for a build.
I think it's for my birthday.
Yeah.
And look, we have two of these. The motorcycle and train. Oh! And this is Tom the train. What the hell?
Alright, guys. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Tom, say bye.